Hello guys, good morning, new week, new day. Let's hope for the best. Or it's a very cloudy morning in the Dubai, and look at how beautiful sunrise. So here I came, and right now I'm buying chocolate milkshake, which is one of my favorite. And let me show you how beautiful quantities and of chocolate milks are there. Let me grab a chocolate. This is the one which I like mostly. So weather of Dubai is amazing. Yesterday it was also good, and now it's like 8:30 a.m. and feel like it's dark and very cloudy weather today. When it's cloudy in Dubai, obviously it gives a feel like wonderful. Cloudy morning, wonderful weather in the Dubai.
المحطة القادمة هي طيران الإمارات. The next station is Emirates.
So this is Emirates near airport in Dubai.
Airport Terminal 3. المحطة القادمة هي المطار مبنى رقم 3. The next station is Airport Terminal 3. هي الخيل. المحطة القادمة هي المطار مبنى رقم 1. The final destination of this train is Al Khail. The next station is Airport Terminal 1. المحطة القادمة هي المطار مبنى رقم 1. The next station is Terminal 1. المحطة القادمة هي بنك أبو ظبي التجاري. The next المحطة القادمة هي المركز التجاري العالمي. The next station is World Trade Center. Is Oh, hail. The next station is Financial Center. المحطة القادمة هي المركز المالي. The next station is Financial Center. المحطة القادمة هي برج خليفة دبي مول. The next station is Burj Khalifa Dubai Mall.
So I reached Business Bay, and you are watching right now. It's the Business Bay area in Dubai, as I mentioned in my previous video. The weather was very cloudy in the morning, but now it's becoming partly cloudy and amazing rain is going today. This is the same location which I shown you in my last video, and where my office is situated, Business Bay, and I will show you that how working is done in my office. So let me show you. This is Business Bay when the weather is cloudy. So, as this is Business Bay, I've shown you the Benghazi project, Bugatti. Where it is. So the work is in full swing. It is going very fast. And let me show you, this is and behind this building I am en route towards my office. So let's meet there. So our new office is in this building. Name I have shown you right now. Let's head towards my office. So I reached my office now, and it's on a 6th floor. Let me show you how to enter in my office. It's very strict security. First of all, check in.
Thank you.
It's unlocked. Now this is the entrance. This is the green bell. The one who closes the door, it will smash this. So right now I am down here outside office, and likewise the weather is amazing today in Dubai, and it's like 3 p.m. but you can see it's a dark here. So weather is amazing today. It was raining when I was upstairs. Let me show you the raindrop. So enjoying weather right here and for a while, and taking a break from work, and then we'll resume our work, and I will show you my new office today for sure. Until then, enjoy. So after working whole day and staying busy, and the weather was amazing, I was unable to record the video because I was busy, and boys, I have taken a short-term break, and this is almost off time, so I will left for the home, but everyone has left, and it's all messed up because everyone left earlier. So this is the office situated in Business Bay. This is the manager sections, and whole teams, Chinese and multiple teams used to sit there and work hard. And these are the meeting rooms to do meeting with their clients. And clients are welcome here in separate meeting room, which is well decorated. And this is the account office. And if we talk about this, sorry for mess up because everyone left in a hurry. This is the team sitting area. Everyone used to work hard here. And this is the owner's office. And this is the wonderful decoration of China. And if we see, this is the reception area. And this is the thing which motivates every agent after closing the big deal, and just have to do like this. Yeah, it's amazing. And Hello Kitty, this is welcoming to our clients by Chinese, and it's a wonderful. And this is the complete team sitting area where we used to sit and work hard. This is amazing. This is situated in Business Bay, and likewise I haven't got time in daytime, otherwise I have shown you. The weather was amazing whole day. It's still raining light, and it's dark outside here, so you can see the lights from outside shining. And by the way, so I have to leave. Before going, I thought that show you my office, because I was planning to do so, but I was unable to get meetings and all, so that's why I was busy in doing work, and now I got time, so I thought to show you my office in Business Bay. So you are always welcome here, and let me show you. When you come here for meeting, obviously I will provide you cup of coffee, tea, kadak tea, and this is basically for you guys. See, there are a lot of flavors. Okay, whatever you need, I will provide to you. And this is also machine. This is also going to be commenced soon. So this is the kitchen area, and this is our office. This is sales manager's portion, and these are the team sitting area. So this was complete about office, and so I have to go, and we'll continue tomorrow. See you. So we are right now going for a dinner, and this bro, my friend, took me here.
Hello guys, subscribe Jawad channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon.
So you have listened this, okay? don't forget the restaurant. Let's see what's present in their menu, and let's go inside and eat, and follow me. So this is the restaurant, Pak Khan Darbar, and this is called Baitak. It's a wonderful, and when you came here to do a dinner, you will feel amazing and relaxed. This is a chicken kalai we ordered. So likewise, it's amazing. Let me take a review from my friend. How it is?
Zabardast.